Hello. In this video we will solve a relatively harder discriminant question. We are given two parabolae and we want to determine the possible k values that makes them do not intersect. So there can be three different forms. If difference of f of x and g of x has discriminant 0, they are tangent to each other. If their discriminant is positive, they intersect at 2 points, and if their indiscriminant is negative, they do not intersect. That's what we are looking for. So let's start with f of x equals to g of x. Then accumulate all the terms on the left hand side. I'm highlighting quadratic terms, linear terms, and constant terms. Then let's factorize x squared. Let's factorize x and keep the constant term. As you see, now we have a quadratic equation where a, b, c terms are written in terms of k. Let's identify them and calculate their discriminant. We just need to carefully expand the terms. You can consider this as k minus 1 bracket squared, then don't forget to distribute negative 4. And when we simplify it, we will obtain negative 3k squared plus 4k. Remember, we are looking for k values to make the delta less than 0. So we have two options. We can just factorize these quadratics. After this stage, it's up to you. You can try to sketch the graph, or you can use a sign diagram. Leading coefficient is negative 3, so we will have a concave down graph. 0 and 4/3 are the x-intercepts. I just highlight the correct region, but let's draw a sign diagram as well. 0 and 4/3. Since our leading coefficient is negative 3, we will start completing the diagram from right as minus, then plus, then minus. We are looking for delta less than 0. These two regions are the correct regions. Our k value is either less than 0 or greater than 4/3. We can also verify it by using our graph. K is supposed to be less than 0 or greater than 4/3. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.